Peppered ponmo is a delicacy that is bound to set my mood right any day. It's a dish made with cowskin, locally known as ponmo or Kanda. If you want to know how to make this mouth-watering recipe, keep watching. My name is Uche and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be using ponmo, and for those of you who don't know, ponmo is cow skin and it has some nutritional benefits. I'm simply washing the ponmo, and I like washing with iron sponge, which I specifically bought for ponmo. But for some reasons, I make use of ordinary sponge. The main aim is for it to be free from sand and dirt. We are done washing. Now I'm just going to chop them to smaller sizes. You can cut them smaller or bigger depending on your preference. I'll go ahead and put them in a pot. I'll add some salt, seasoning cube, pepper and some diced onions. I'll cover and allow to cook until it tenders. Here is my frying pan. I'm pouring vegetable oil in it. This is pepper mix and it's basically pepper and onions. I didn't want it to be smooth. It has to be a little bit rough. This is exactly the consistency we are looking for. I allow the oil to heat up before introducing the pepper mix. Stir and leave to fry for about 10 minutes while stirring consistently. And please use the kind of pepper you can withstand. I'm adding salt, seasoning cubes, cooked ponmo and some crayfish for flavor. You can decide not to add crayfish, it's up to you. Stir until everything marry each other. Yes, that's the word. I'll go ahead to garnish with green bell pepper and onions. Stir and turn off the heat. Our peppered ponmo is ready. So guys, what will you pair this with? Let me know in the comment section because I love hearing from you. If you like this recipe, please click the like button and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.